A very good afternoon to all. I am P.Swetha Sec-C Data Science second year. Now I am going to explain about Pickle and Unpickle module in Python. Pickle module. So presently we can store only text into the files and return same text from the files. The text files are useful when we don't want to perform any type of calculations on the data. When we want to create an object, first of all we need to create a class with the class name of the structured data, and the structured data will design to implement in Python. When we want to create an object to that class, first of all we need to store our actual data into that objects. Later this object should be stored into a binary file in the form of bytes. This is called pickle module or serialization. Pickling is a purpose of converting a class object into a byte streams. Pickling is done by using the dump method of pickle module. I am taking here one program for pickle module. I am importing pickle and taking my list and printing pickle.dump my list. So pickle module is done by using the dump method, and unpickle module is done by using the load method. Unpickle module. Unpickling is a purpose where a byte streams is converted back into the class object. Unpickling represents reading the class objects from the files. Unpickling is also called deserialization, and unpickling is done using the load method. So the load method reads an object from a binary files and returns into a object. Both pickling and unpickling should be done by using the binary files because of they support the byte streams. When we want to get back those objects from the file, definitely we have unpickle them. To unpickle, we should use load method for pickle module. This method reads an object from the files and returns it into an object. So by using a loop, we can read the objects from the unpickle module and pickle module. Pickle and unpickling. Pickling is a standard module which serializations and deserializations a Python object structured. So unpickling is the purpose of retrieving the original data from the stored string represents for use, and pickling is a purpose whereby a Python is converted into a byte streams, and unpickling is a inverse operation to the byte streams and